Hello and welcome to Jet Fresh Flowers Storm Edition. We are here taking this very serious. We prepped our office, we're prepping the cooler. Let's take a look. As you can see, we got tarps everywhere. We're protecting all the equipment in the office. So that way, the moment the storm comes through, we can get back in here and we can get it ready to go. We've covered everything here inside the office. We've boarded the front door, but that's just the beginning of it. Coming through, we're gonna be tarping up this whole area. But here is where I want you to see. All these flowers, everything here has got to be protected. As you can see, my guys here are working tirelessly. They're running through, they're pulling every box. Look at these shelves. I've never had a shelf so empty. But why? Because we are taking every box that's in this cooler. We're gonna take out every percoda here on the side. We're loading around the pallet, just like this pallet right here, just like those pallets all over there. Just like those pallets all the way back there, my mic. We're loading everything up. We're gonna make sure that all our flowers are in a facility that if the power goes down, there's a generator backup to make sure that those flowers do not lose cool. So that way when we're back and running, when we're ready to go, you're ready to go and you have good, fresh flowers that didn't lose cool. As you can see, we're gonna take every precaution. We're taking this very serious, guys. At the end of the day, I need you guys to take this very serious. Everybody in this storm's path and Irma's path, please, hunker down. Board up your houses, get some supplies, make sure you're ready. If you haven't left town and you got a chance to leave, please get out of town, make sure you're safe, because at the end, that's all that really matters. Please be safe. We're gonna be safe. We're gonna take care. We'll see you as soon as we can see you. Guys, be safe. Have a great day.